violence!
Greetings, fellow humans. Welcome to episode 3 of the first season of the Bartenderson Misadventures of Bartenderson. I'm your host, Emerson. Episode 3 is all about movies. I like movies, went to school for movies. We're gonna be making a drink inspired by my favorite movie, which is none other than Damien Chazelle's Whiplash, movie about a drummer who has to go through the cycles of going to an elite jazz school, and he has to deal with the issues that arise from his tyrannical band director, Terrence Fletcher. I'm gonna try and replicate some of those emotions and themes in the drink that you are about to see. Before we start, let's take a look at the vinyl Parliament Mothership Connection. Classic album. A lot of amazing tracks on this one. Funky UFO, Give Up the Funk, bro. Anyways, let's get into the drink, shall we?
Close these things.
For the movie Whiplash, I'm thinking something like spicy and red to kind of signify the theme, mainly Terrence Fletcher's character, which I'm low-key kind of cosplaying right now. I'm in his cool little blazer. I'm thinking we'll shake this. What are we thinking? I'm gonna do Campari because it's a bitter Italian liqueur, and Terrence Fletcher is a very bitter character and very mean. You need to acquire this taste, just like you need to acquire the love for his teaching methods.
And who is now weeping and slobbering all over my drum set.
For Campari, I'll do a half an ounce. I know you really like Campari because it tastes like burnt rubber, and you like that, don't you?
Campari's good.
It's good, it's good. A half an ounce of lemon juice, freshly squeezed, you know?
Bro, this is gonna blow up. This is gonna blow up.
And then I'm gonna go in with some dry curacao. You can also use any other orange liqueur you like. I just like this one because it's just a skosh sweeter. And you know, this is meant to represent the beginning of the movie when everything is sweet and he's dating that girl and everything's fine. It's all fine. Probably just a 1/4 ounce of dry curacao. This is Whiplash, dude.
Sorry.
Did you not read the script?
No, I wasn't.
And then I'm gonna do London Dry Gin because I think that'll work great with the rest of this. The gin is like the overarching theme of jazz throughout the movie. Because, you know, gin, jazz, they both start with J. It's really cool. I'll do an ounce of gin. It's time for the fun part. Take a couple. Nice, cute. Now, there's not a lot in here right now because I am going to top it off with ginger beer when I strain it into my glass. I'm going to do like a double rocks glass because it kind of looks like a doom. Anyways, get my strainer. Piece of clear ice. Slide that into the drink. Okay, it's more pink. That's okay. And then to top it off, ginger beer. This is meant to represent the fiery atmosphere of the practice room and the movie itself. We're gonna pour this off the ice so that it doesn't layer on top of it. And then we'll, just to kind of give it some bitter on the top, I'll take some Angostura bitters, just kind of float it on top, just to add some color. These are kind of be like the drops of blood that are on his fingers when he's practicing. And then we'll do probably an orange, because I used an orange liqueur, and I also used Campari, which has some orange notes. We'll probably just do a peel. A nice peel of orange. No idea if this is gonna be good or not. But there's your, this is called the Not Quite My Tempo. Yep. It's a lot. It's a lot of ginger beer, and you have some of the bitter from the Campari on the back. The gin is kind of hidden. Probably could adjust the ratios a bit, but overall it's really good. It's really good. I like that one a lot. I just like ginger beer drinks. They're really nice.
Dude. Yeah, dude.
Dude, it looks...
All right, I'm actually pretty happy with this one. Not a lot of people, including myself, don't really like Campari that much. It is very bitter, and it is an acquired taste, but I think I was able to hide this pretty well. And ginger beer is kind of a mean mixer, but it's really good. And that's kind of how I feel when I watch Whiplash. Overall, I'm pretty happy. I probably could have did a little bit more gin, maybe. Put in a different glass, probably, because it is very ginger beer heavy. Kind of lose some of those flavors. But as a preliminary drink for the movie that I love the most, it's pretty good. That'll do it for episode 3. Tune in whenever for the next one. It's really fun. I appreciate you guys watching. Bye.
But